Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Emma and this is my channel. So it's time for a makeover. I have time and I need to do my nails. Little fake tan maybe. But the biggest contender today, the biggest process. What's happening? So yeah. I'm looking good. Little skincare maybe, we'll see, but I know that this hair needs to get done. So please sit down, grab food, snacks, drinks, and enjoy this process of me actually probably ruining myself. With that, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon. It's a cat, not a ghost, it's a cat. Step 1. A box size is a choice. I use this one. As always, please follow the directions on the box and within the box to ensure that you get an application as it is meant to be done. You don't want to give yourself chemical burns. You don't want to hurt yourself. You don't want to breathe in bad fumes. Read these. Use gloves, especially with this. One thing to point out is I'm not trying to make my hair blonde. I'm not trying to get it all over the place. I'm really just trying to get the roots done so that way I can re-dye it and have it be vibrant. I use the type of hair dye that you do gradually over time, and I did that by first getting the type that's made that way already. But essentially what it is regular hair dye mixed with conditioner, and I made it myself. So what I'm going to do, instead of washing my hair and keeping it in while I'm showering and then washing it out at the end of the shower, is I'm just going to leave it in the entire time for like 40 minutes after I do this. But yes, that's the plan. Let's go ahead and get started with this. For this, it says I leave it on for like 40 minutes. So 40 minutes of this, and then like an hour of the pink color. It'll be a good time. Let's get her going. Hello, it has been 10 minutes since I put the box dye in my hair. For some reason, it completely stripped the color, which is an interesting thing I found out. Now I know if I ever need to strip the color quickly, this is the box dye for it. But I'm gonna leave this in my hair for another 30 minutes as per the box's request and directions, because I don't want to ruin my hair. I want it to come out nice and bright. But yeah, I'll come back in just a few minutes and we'll wash it out and see how it looks and get on to the next step. Alright, so we're back. Apparently this hair dye stripped my hair, so it's going to be a clean slate for me to dye it, and I'm going to go wash it out and we'll start over. Alright, so now my hair is stripped, it is blonde, and I'm like, because it looks good, and what if I don't want to do pink, what if I want to stay blonde again? But I got her can be blonde in time now that I know that dye strips my hair. So let's get into the next step. So I recommend using gloves. You don't necessarily need to with the half and half mix. It usually washes off your hands pretty well, but I'm going to use gloves. And I have mine in a pump bottle. In my pump bottle I have 3/4 hair dye and then 1/4 of conditioner, and I'm going to be using that to dye my hair. Alright, I have the hair dye in the hair, it is saturated, and I'm going to wait 50 minutes, and then we'll wash it out. Alright, it has been 15 minutes with this in my hair, saturated and now soaking. And so it is time for me to rinse it and condition it and see how it turns out. Alright, I'm out of the shower. As you can see, things are dyed. It's not as dark as I want it to be, as vibrant as I want it to be, but obviously that's going to happen over the next few days as I continue to wash my hair with the solution I made. Right now I'm just going to let it dry a little bit. It's about 3/4 of the way dry before I blow it out, so I can show you guys the review. Alright, so here's the finished look so far. It's not finished, but it's definitely better than it was before in terms of the roots. One thing that you will note is that there are still some blonde patches in my hair, and that's because, again, it's a gradual process to deepen the color of my hair. So over the next few days, this will get darker and it will get more even, it'll get more vibrant. It will look more like the front does rather than this. It's going on in the back, but that it just comes with time. But here it is. Hopefully you guys like it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, give it a thumbs down. Leave a comment down below giving me any tips or tricks for the next time I dye my hair, as well as why you like the video or why you didn't like the video. And go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notifications when I post. And excuse the jingling, that was Peaches. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!